I'm going to partition the number line into 3 equal parts. I will place 3 equal parts between all of the whole numbers. Under 1, I will draw 1 pizza, 2, 2 pizzas, 3, 3 pizzas, 4, 4 pizzas. Each pizza will now be cut into thirds. The shapes don't have to be perfect, it's just so that they have pieces to count. I will count the pieces. 3/3 goes over 1. 1/3, 2/3, 3/3, 4/3, 5/3, 6/3 goes over 2. 1/3, 2/3, 3/3, 4/3, 5/3, 6/3, 7/3, 8/3, 9/3 goes over 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12/3 goes over 4. I did show the kids that 3 divided by 3 equals 1, 6 divided by 3 equals 2, 9 divided by 3 equals 3, 12 divided by 3 equals 4. I now fill in all of the empty spots on the number line until all of the numbers are represented. I now box in the fractions that are located at the same points as the whole numbers. So 1 equals 3/3, 2 equals 6/3, 3 equals 9/3, 4 equals 12/3.